Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonae. Hope everyone is doing good on this hump day. I'm doing fine. I just got a package in the mail, so I wanted to share it with y'all. And this is the package here. So I was on TikTok, and it was a seller on there. She was actually in the store, and she was showing some bags that she had, and was asking if anyone was interested. So excuse me. So I did join the live and told I was interested in this bag. So I did purchase this bag, and it was a good price and everything. So I'm so excited to see it in person, because I've only seen it on, seen pictures of it. I hadn't seen it in person. So I already opened the bag, but I hadn't opened the package, because there it is. You can see it is wrapped up in there. So she has it in the Marshall's bag. So let's open it. Let's see. I want y'all to see my true reaction when I open it. So are y'all ready? Let me see. Let me get the handles. Get it by the handle so I can bring it out the bag. So are y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Here she is. Oh, she is so pretty. Oh my goodness, she is pretty. Oh, I love her. And this is one of Juicy Couture new release bags. And the name of it is chiffon pink. And this is the Lovely Bow Satchel. So this is the card on her. And she did come from Marshall's, and she was $29.99. But yes, she is so pretty. She does have a little bow on the zipper pull. Look at these details. Look at that. That's on the zipper pull. She has a bow. Look at that. It's so cute. And then on the front here, let me take this off. You do have to come with a charm. And look at this. Isn't that so pretty? Look at that. That bow, that is so pretty. And then you have the heart. It has a little plastic on it. Well, yes, a heart, like a locket, because it has a place in the middle, like for a key. That is so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. This bag is so pretty, yeah. I love it. And it's half gold charm. Well, not half, but partial chain. And it's not, wait a minute. Don't let me speak to, oh! Hello. It is removable, y'all. It's removable. Let me get my scissors so I can cut this plastic off here so I can show y'all, okay? Just a minute. Let me get my scissors. Because I was about to say that it wasn't removable, but I spoke too soon, y'all. I'm gonna cut the little plastic off this side. And it doesn't have any plastic on the other side. But yes, I am so excited. Look, y'all. It's removable. Look at that. Removable. Let me open the bag up and take the strap out. So this is the, if you want shoulder, if you want to wear it shoulder bag, or I guess if you want to wear it crossbody, you can, if that's your thing. And I love that you can remove Just look at that. That is so exciting. You can remove the straps. I love that. And then let's check out the inside. And as I didn't show y'all this, but look, you know, it's exclusive. It has the little heart on it. You know what that means? That it's pink inside. Let's see. Take out all the paper. Look at that. It is. Look. It's pink inside. Yes. Has the zipper pocket in the back. And then the little label right there that says Juicy Couture. And then let's turn around to the front. Let's see. The front has a slip pocket. So yeah, that is how she looks. Yes. So I am so excited to have this bag. So excited. She is too cute. And look, my nails go with it too, look. It's so cute, so cute. And the other day when I was in, where did I get this from? I'm trying to see, TJ Maxx, I did find the wallet. So I didn't know if I was gonna get the bag, but I went on and got the wallet in TJ Maxx. So I have the matching wallet to the bag. So I am excited about that. But sometimes, usually you'll see the wallet before you see the bag. Because I usually see wallets, you know, but I don't see the bag to match to it until it comes out later. And it has the same thing, the little heart on there showing it's exclusive. Okay, and this wallet is called Lovely Bow Small Zip Around Wristlet. And the color is chiffon pink. So that's it right here. And this wallet was $12.99, TJ Maxx. And it has a ID pocket on the outside here. And then it has a slip pocket, so you can put something in there if you want to. Slip pocket. And then it has a Juicy Couture on here in cursive, in gold. And you open it up, that's how it looks here. You have 3 card slots on this side, and then 3 on the other side here. And then you have a place for your dollar bills. And then you open it up here, let it zip around. Take this out. And that's the inside of that. So, all right. So cute. I am so excited about this. I think it's so cute. I love the bows. I love the light pink with the darker pink. So pretty. Yep, so pretty, so pretty. And I'm just over the moon that the straps come off. I was so hoping, but you know. So yeah, this is so pretty. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this unboxing. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I surely appreciate it. And I hope everyone have a great day. Bye.